Hi, we're ready today to launch, or very soon launch, a very nice feature for Eupry monitoring. So I'm here with Martin, our VP product, who's going to explain a little bit more about what the feature does. But first of all, my name is Jacob. I'm the head of quality here at Eupry, and as we are monitoring how the compliance field evolves, the new USP for use of mean kinetic temperature has also just been released. So I think for a lot of customers in the GXP industries, this is exciting news because now there's clear guidance on how you should calculate the MKT and also which periods of time you should use when trying to evaluate excursions. But Martin, what is this new feature all about?
Yeah, I mean, we set out to make excursions in Eupry monitoring both faster and easier to handle, and then as well as that also reflect the latest guidance here from UCP, as you just mentioned, on how to use MKT. And it really starts with this page here that we're looking at right now. First with a nice overview of your alarm details. You get your mean here, you get your MKT for 24 hours, as well as for MKT for 30 days as per the guidance. And then you have a graph that basically just shows the development of the temperature just before and after the excursion and during, of course. And then we have, similar to, as you would know from Eupry monitoring today, we have comments that you can add to your excursion. We've added a new step here as well, where you can add an initial course to this, where you can select from a list of common courses. What this does is it gives you some metadata on the comments you are adding for consistency and for other kinds of analysis that you want to do later on. And then at the end, we have also improved our activity log a little bit, where you would see the courses as well that might be submitted by our colleagues, as well as you can see the system will tell you who has actually been notified about the excursion as well.
Yeah, nicely. So basically this allows you to get all of the data, all of the statistical calculations that you would otherwise have to download raw data, do your analysis on, and then evaluate. You get all of that right here. That's right. Almost like a full-fledged deviation management system, or at least the input for one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but we're truly excited to get this feature out to every one of our customers. So stay tuned on our channels, and then we'll update you when it's available. Thank you.